show you adorable cardboard houses. Let's start the video.
Yummy.
We're going to make an adorable bunny house using cardboard and clay.
Do you love this?
Put the colored paper on it.
Wonderful.
Put it here. Put a kitchen cabinet in this place.
That's so fun.
Flattening this.
Excellent.
Match the pieces together. Lovely!
Lovely.
Make this yellow clay in shape. Cutting around.
Let's subscribe our channel.
Assemble the pieces.
That's beautiful.
We have a lovely frig.
Awesome.
Let's make a mini farm.
It's adorable.
Use knife
So
to make it in
cute.
shape.
That's
Carrot
amazing.
seeds.
I love it.
Put the carrots in the basket. A lovely cake.
If you like it, please comment below.
Yummy.
Take an orange clay to wrap the cardboard.
How do you think about that?
Wrap it by clay. We're almost finished a lovely carrot table. Now make chairs for our table.
How do you think about that?
Use a piece of white clay to make bunny ears.
That's beautiful.
Add the pieces.
Yummy.
Let's make some carrots to put it in.
That's so fun.
Pour the water into the tank.
Excellent.
Blue, green, yellow,
Let's
orange.
subscribe our channel. That's beautiful.
Now we're going to make a bunny sofa. Decorate it. Wrap the cardboard by fabric to make bunny ears. We have an adorable living room. Assemble the pieces. Place a shelf here to brush your teeth. Make the clay into a form.
Excellent.
Lovely. Let's look at our house again.
Yummy.
Lovely.
Now we're going to make an adorable house for the winter. Put the colored paper on it. We've almost finished the base. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's decorate the bed together. There are many colorful fabrics to choose from. I picked the rainbow one. We have a wonderful cushion. Get some clay and make it in shape. Press it. Assemble the parts.
Awesome.
Now put the eyes, ears, nose for the bunny. Give it a little cheek brush. Put 2 legs for it. More decoration for the bedroom. Now we're going to make sandals. That's great!
Let's subscribe our channel.
Cut it following the shape to make a backpack. Put the pieces together. Lovely! Add straps to the backpack.
It's adorable.
Put it here. Cut it. Now we're going to make a gas stove. That's so cute! Put it here. Assemble some yellow clays to make some flowers.
So cute.
That's adorable. Put some items in the kitchen to decorate. Let's enjoy the meal together.
Yummy.
Do you love this?
Add cotton and colored fabric for cushioning. the pieces of the sofa together. Take a piece of blue clay to make a flower pot.
How do you think about that?
Put the flowers in. So sweet! We've a wonderful living room
If you like it, please comment below.
and rainbow clay surrounding it. Pouring slime on it. Decorate the room with some pictures. Let's check out what we have done.
Wonderful!